Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'll be covering how to grow radish microgreens. Radish microgreens are the fastest growing microgreens of all microgreens. They grow in just 5 to 6 days. I don't know of any crop that you can harvest in 5 days besides sprouts. So without any further ado, let's get started. I use radish seeds by Sprout House. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing some. I usually use a 10 by 20 flat like this one to grow my microgreens. However, for this video as an example, I'm using this container that you get when you buy mushrooms. I use coconut coir as my growing medium. In this growing medium, I also added some organic garden soil. Coconut coir is free of pests and bugs and retains moisture very well. First, flatten the surface and compact the growing medium, and then water the growing medium to avoid expansion. Radish seeds are very small in size. It is very easy to plant a lot of these seeds, so be careful when planting. You do not have to pre-soak radish seeds. Just sprinkle the seeds in the container and spread the seeds well, leaving some gaps in the cluster of seeds. Cover the seeds with growing medium and flatten out the surface. Even if you don't cover the seeds, the radish seeds will grow really well. Water the seeds well after planting. After 2 days, the seeds will sprout and begin to grow. Radish seeds do not require any weight on top to start growing either. Little seedlings will develop with pink stalks. After 2 more days, the radish microgreens are about 1 to 2 inches tall. Radish microgreens grow very fast. After another 2 days, which is 6 days since planting, the radish microgreens are 3 inches tall and ready to harvest. Radish microgreens have a very spicy flavor and very much resemble the taste of radishes. These microgreens can be added to soups, salads, and sandwiches for spicy and crunchy flavor. Simply cut the top 2 inches of microgreens to harvest and check out all these beautiful microgreens. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video. When you first have radish microgreens, you'll say to yourself, what kind of flavor is this? And then you'll just go about your day without even thinking about it and live a very happy life. Until that one day you'll be craving that radish flavor. You just want that oomph. You will be looking for radish microgreens, and the next thing you know, you're addicted to those green leaves. You want them in everything and anything, your salads, your food, and your brownies.
You know, you can't say that on camera.
It actually sounds pretty bad.